Hi. Today, we're gonna do something. So the thing is, you take a pin clip, put it right in your hair. So let me show you that. Might be too hard. Some people won't do the vote, so they might give you a vote. So that I already done this one, and I'm gonna move on to the next one. It's this one. Gonna go up there, and then we are gonna comb with our special comb. And if you need so click down below if you want to extract my episode. Click down below to find my episode, and the video is still on. Too hard to open this really. Then you just open you take this junction. Okay. Let's look at the you're my phone. I'm gonna have to comb that side. No. Sure. This one, okay? Now we are going to choose whatever color. Now I got this side. It's kind of big. But I'm going to use a pink. Don't worry about it. Some people won't like them.
What? You didn't give me any answer.
Next, there. We have a pink and a black. So for the front round, we will take this one. If you don't have this, get it from the kids' store. Okay. So then you just nicely put it on there. And you have pin clips on. You could take a pink one or a black one from the red thing. And you get this from Superstore. That's from Superstore. Even you get this from Superstore. So the S gets silent. And if you have these rubber bands, you get them from Dollar Store. The other one, the new one that opened. There was $3 stores. The one that doesn't like have balloons, the one that doesn't have balloons, the one that has balloons. The one that is really with the ones that doesn't have seeds, that one. You don't tape that one. This one, the one that has balloons and seeds, that one is the one that you get that from. So, click down below. Like my species. Bye. Bye. Just end.